This is a Noisy House production.
What's up, guys? It's the Pok'e Dad here. Got my son, and it's time to open up some Pokemon packs. So we went a little bit of Pokemon pack hunting earlier today, and we got ourselves some Darkness Ablaze packs that we're gonna open up for you guys. Yeah, buddy. So let's start there. We're gonna do a little bit different of a video as far as like camera wise. We aren't using the second camera to show, you know, actual openings. We're just gonna do it here, me and him together, so you can see us both.
And here what it looks like.
Yep.
Like, this is what it says, so you know so which one to open. They're both the same technically. Yeah.
No, yeah, we're gonna try things a little bit differently with this video. We're just seeing what works best for us.
Well, our sister did interrupt.
Yeah, she was interrupting us for a little bit there.
Yeah.
She is sleeping now. Quiet time. Now it's time for us to get into these Pokemon packs. Drop down in the comment below what your favorite set is you're looking for right now. We like Darkness Ablaze, the Evolutions. The new ones we can't get our hands on. We actually had 2 of the Champion's Path Elite Trainer boxes. Didn't get as lucky as we thought we would, but it was fun. We got this bad boy. We might do this one in a later video. I don't know.
I don't want that.
Yeah, also our contest that we did in our first video. If you go to the very first video we posted, it says first video in the description.
Video, we pulled 2 VMAX. Two.
We still have our giveaway going on for this card right here.
If anyone wants to give away.
So the 50th person to comment on our very first video is getting this card. That's the giveaway we're doing right now.
You want to know what the Tag Team GXs looks like?
Yeah, we got this poll last week too.
Yeah, that's the Tag Team GXs.
Let's get to it, because that's what you guys are here to see.
2 Tag Team GXs. Now my
The
dad
packs.
gonna open all the packs by himself. So
No, we're gonna do it together, me and him. We're gonna just take turns here. Basically gives me. Let's just hope for a pull, guys. Let's just hope for a pull. Let's see. You guys ready for a code card? There you go. Code card. Let's see.
First pack of the edition.
We're gonna do our very best to, you know, open these cards in front of you. You know, we're not doing anything like that. You know, we get natural pulls over here. So
well,
1, 2, 3, 4, and here we go. Fighting.
Dad, do you want to show him? I pulled a Rainbow BB.
He did pull a Rainbow BB.
That was like it was in the binder. Well, I did pull a V-Top Coco. Well, actually kind of hard.
Ooh.
That's actually kind of hard.
What is this?
Wait,
oh shoot! We got a pull. We got a pull. We got a pull. That is a nice looking card.
That's a VMAX.
That's the Eternus VMAX. Yes, it is. Look at that.
And
The very
we have
first
this.
pack magic.
We already
Whoa.
have this in the binder, but it's a holographic here. The binder.
Look at that
now
card,
this is
Bubba.
holographic. Ooh.
Hold on.
That
Grab the
looks
sleeves.
shiny.
Grab the sleeves. Grab the sleeves. See? You gotta be careful sometimes. This is a nice looking card.
I'm gonna got sleeve for this guy.
Yes. Wow. Let us know down in the comments what your favorite pull is that we get tonight.
Yeah.
If we get any more. This was first
Chris,
pack
I wanna
magic
take
right
a
there.
look at
Wow.
Can I take a look at it, Dad?
Yeah, go ahead, Bubba.
Wow.
Be careful with it.
Interesting.
Eternus VMAX. Nice looking card. Nice looking card. Alright, can we keep up that same stamina that we got going there? Let me see. One more time for you guys.
Do you know there's a V of this?
That's cool.
Now that's a VMAX. We have 3 VMAX.
Yep, here we go. Let's do another one.
We're actually getting lucky now.
I
And
hope so.
this. We already have this. If you want this, comment down below if you want this guy.
He wants to give it away, so comment down below if you want it. Let us know.
Yeah, we already got this guy in the binder.
Alright, so here's your good old code card.
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is it? Lightning. Let me do this.
So, what is that?
So hopefully you guys can see. In our first video, we tried the other camera way, and we like that, but we want to both, you know, it just feels a little bit better this way for us.
Yeah.
So, if we do get pulls, you know, we'll make sure we zoom the card in so you guys can see it. Let's see. What are we gonna get? And
Last one. What
it's
is
a
it?
hollow. Oh, a Kangaskhan. I know I never could say that card, but I remember getting one when I was a kid. Yeah. Sorry if I messed that name up. Could never pronounce it. Kangaskhan. There you go. Put that into a sleeve, son. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Sleeve.
So, comment down below. Like I said, what's your favorite Pokemon? When you started collecting Pokemon, let us know. You know, we want to interact with you guys. We're new to the community. You know, and
Here it is in the sleeve.
Yep.
Charizard sleeve.
Charizard. So yes, we got these sleeves out of the Elite Trainer box that came with the Champions Path stuff. We didn't get lucky and get the good Zards. They did come with two promo, or well, a promo, but we got two boxes, so we got two promos. We might be doing a giveaway on one of those. We'll see. Kangaskhan. Nice card.
That's a Kangaskhan.
Alright.
Now what else should we open?
You are ripping into that, and we are not opening that. Why do you keep doing that, son?
Yeah, I want to open it.
I know, but this is me. This might be for another video, but I don't know yet. We will see. He wants to open up that mystery power cube.
Yeah. I never
Might save that for another video, though. Here we go. Darkness Ablaze. Can we get another pull? Some of these packs are just... I get a technique down on how I open them, and it doesn't always want to work that way. There we go with the code card. I don't know if I'm going to set up. There you go.
Sometimes you do
right there.
two different techniques.
2, 3, 4, and fighting. Fighting energy. We'll get a little bit closer.
Woo!
Sorry.
Okay, my chair's about to fall there.
Don't make it fall. Fix yourself.
She's scared straight behind that. What's
He
that?
just spoke some gibberish.
I'm not speaking to
Let's see.
you.
And ooh, another Kangaskhan. See? Because I couldn't say a name right, I got to get it again. That's a duplicate.
Yeah.
Well, since we got two of those, comment down below
If you want any
your
of them,
favorite Pokemon, like I said, and we will choose a random person to get that. Yes, we will ship it to you. Oh, he's
looks like I'm going
opening
to
a pack. Opening a pack over here. So
looks like I'm at old school, I guess. I don't know.
old school.
I don't know my.
Show the code card here. He opened up for you guys because he didn't show you the pack that he was digging into because he likes to jump the gun a little bit. Crimson Invasion. All right, do the card trick, son.
That's all cool.
Did it? All right. Ooh, it's a nice looking card. See, I like the new artwork they make. You know, back in the day, as dope as it was, the artwork today of the modern cards is on point.
Please, somebody pulls a V-Max Charizard.
Yes, please.
That way, don't tantrum, because Bill might wake up.
Scream. Ooh.
You shine.
Yep.
And that's it.
Staraptor. They get you. They get you. They get you. It's all good. I don't even think the VMAX Charizard's in this set, Bubba, to be honest with you. I think
Well,
the
never
Darkness
know till
Ablaze.
try. Am I right?
He's right. You never know, but it's not in there. But it's in the Darkness Ablaze sets. Maybe
no,
I'm wrong. I don't know. Drop in the comments if I'm wrong.
Always don't know. No. Sometimes you, sometimes you don't.
He likes to get me. How many dads out there are watching, you know, or if you do end up watching this video, let me know down in the comments who all does this with their kids.
Yeah.
So I'm opening up a Crimson Invasion.
What's this?
I didn't take my own advice. My bad. Sorry, guys. Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion. Here's a code card. Let's get back to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we can get knocking on our door. Psychic. Ooh. I accidentally lifted it up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see these cards good. No. Did you?
No.
Okay. Why would you say that? You're trying to get my nerves going, Bubba? Or are you trying to get their nerves going?
What's this?
A Regirock. It's a Regirock.
I think we gotta leave that. I think. I don't know.
Alright.
Next pack.
Hold on here. Let me see these. Hold these. I'm going to do this one, son. We are back on to the Darkness Ablaze. Let's see if we can get something good.
Darkness Ablaze.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
So if you're new to Pokemon, let us know what got you into it.
Maybe saw someone else's Pokemon.
Is it a YouTuber? Because we do watch a lot of YouTubers.
Sometimes.
Leonard and all those, you know.
Well, we did watch when
Leonard, what's up? That was the lightning energy. Sorry. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright, son. Hope for a pull.
Yeah. I don't see no, like that. Top Cocoa GX Rainbow. Know
Oops,
that?
just dropped the whole stack that I got going on over here. Oops. We got something. A Colossopod.
My turn.
Sleeve it, son.
That's about to be my turn.
I know, but you need to sleeve that pack on that card. If I annihilate these names, I do apologize. You know, like a lot of the adults or people like me who collected when they were a kid, and get them base set names down.
Make sure that's one. Here it is.
Code card. He sleeved that up for us, alright.
Now, doing the card trick.
He's doing the card trick real quick, guys.
Okay, I have faith in this one.
You have faith in it? Well, me too if you do. He's got faith in it, I got faith in it, y'all got faith in it. Water energy, let's get it. You getting, son? Come on. An old PC. Some of them old PCs can be worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
I do have more.
One more.
Not one more, I do have.
Oh. Who's counting anyway?
This is the last one.
Ooh. No. He always does that.
Oh! We already have that.
We got a UV again.
Yeah, we already have that
It's a
one.
pretty looking card.
If you want
Grab
this
the sleeve. You always...
If you want it.
Alright, well, if you guys want it, comment below.
If you don't.
Well, we got to think about that, you know. We can't just...
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go if you want it. No, we could. But what's, you know, if you want this card, we do already have it. So if you do want this one, let's get, you know, once we get to 20 subscribers, we'll give our 20th subscriber this card. How about that?
Yeah.
So if you're watching it, we're not yet at 20 subscribers because we just started the channel.
Yeah.
When we get to our 20th subscriber, we will give them this. So, the UV, 20th subscriber. I got a memory. I won't forget. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's a pull.
Now your turn.
My turn. He always gets the pulls. See, he says that, you know, and then it comes true. he gets the pulls. But the problem is he thinks he gets the last card before he doesn't, and then I'll end up catching it and seeing that there's a pull.
Well, sometimes I don't, but sometimes if you see a GX like the Black and Showverse, that means I know there's something special.
Something special, yep.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah. Sure.
Let's do this.
Look at
Darkness
here.
Ablaze. We're still on the Darkness Ablaze.
Yeah. First.
Code card.
Nope.
And here we go. Water. If you guys see him, that's him creeping his little hand up and snatching packs off the desk because he wants to open them up.
Yeah.
Like I said, we get our pulls around here, it ain't.
Well, I'm kind of getting looks for those sometimes. Yeah.
Ooh, there's the reverse.
Ooh, what is this?
A Galarian Stunfish V.
Interesting.
I've seen that card. It's kind of funny looking. It's a pull though.
Pull is a pull.
Oh, pull is a pull. He's a V and he's a full art card. It's a nice looking card. He just kind of looks mad about something. I can't figure it out. He's gonna come out of the card and get you, Bubba.
Looks like something made
See,
him
there he is. He's got that pack. Can't wait to open the pack. He's ready to open the pack. There's your code card, guys.
No.
He's doing the card trick. I get some. You got 3 decent pulls.
Yeah. Well, I hope you get a card. Yes, we know. Water.
Water.
That's evolved from the next evolved from a Rowlet.
Mm-hmm.
That's the last one.
Is it?
Yeah.
John. I can't say the name. I do apologize, guys. I was just tuning in, trying to see. I get excited sometimes when he pulls.
Rusty. You can't read.
I'm rusty. I can't read. No, I get excited because he does get some good pulls. I'm waiting for him to pull that Charizard, man. Darkness Ablaze.
Yes.
That's what we're opening.
Now, we have more
Do you guys drop it down in the comments? Do you guys get lucky with this set? Because
yeah, we have more over here. We have more over here. Here it is over
card.
here.
1, 2, 3, 4, and it's a water.
Yeah.
Water.
You might get lucky. You might.
Yeah. You're the one with the luck, son. You're the one with the luck, not Dad.
I never know. A Diglett.
It's a pretty looking card. I can't really see it, but oh,
One more. What's that? Ooh.
Flagon. This guy needs to come out and say hi. This is who we want to pull.
Get down here. My turn. More Darkness Ablaze.
Yep, Darkness Ablaze.
And it's also from Sword and Shield. Yeah.
So, if you're new to the channel, I'm the Pok'e Dad. Father, son, my daughter, she's sleeping.
Well,
You would know if she was in here right now.
Well, I don't think she's sleeping just yet.
I think she's sleeping. She ain't in here yet, so let's just not jinx ourselves. Leave
Trying to beat the line.
Yeah. Welcome to the channel. Card.
Trick.
Father and son bonding time. We're opening up some Pokemon. Trying to get that Charizard. Trying to get them pulls. He's doing the card trick. Alright. He prays before he does it. He wants the... He knows. He gets that Charizard. It's going to be a happy day. What are you doing?
trying to do with his left hand.
Okay, there you go. There you go. See,
This is my
he's
key.
figuring out his ways of doing things. You know, we're new to this, so we're trying here. So bear with us, guys.
What's
We're doing the
this?
best we can.
No shine. Guys, well, if you see any like shine on this.
We'll just get to the next card.
No.
Nope. That's it.
Here's it.
Diggerbee!
They got what?
Diggerbee!
Now
Yeah,
like that turn.
my turn. Can we get a Charizard? Come on, we've opened so many of these packs, you guys have no clue. We haven't got the Charizard VMAX.
Well,
And then a
my
lot of the big
open-
YouTubers, you know, you see them and they make it look so easy, like they've opened up the first pack out of the box and oh my god, it's the Charizard. Yeah, not happening here. I wish it was that easy for us. The dollar signs that add up trying to get it. Woo! But that's the fun of it. Pokemon card. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
And here he goes reaching for a pack of cards. Oh, he's gonna grab the Charizard one too. Mm-hmm.
Please. He got a Charizard. Ooh, we already got this guy.
Did we?
Yeah, we
A
did.
Houndoom V.
We already got him.
Woo!
We already got him.
Here's a nice looking card. We already got him.
How do you have him?
Figure out something to do with a lot of these cards that we already got. Besides ones that we have said we're going to give away. Them still ones are eligible for the giveaway. Nice looking card. But we already got them, like he said. Like I said, we have spent some money on these Darkness Ablaze packs. And
Well, we never got a VMAX. Now we do.
I hope he has Charizard in that pack and it's in his hand. Code card. Wouldn't that be lovely, guys? Wouldn't it be just some stuff if we pulled it?
Here's it up close. I just want to show it up close so you can see that. This is actually kind of hard.
Just keep it going. I'll help you out. He's doing the best he ever did.
Don't be silly.
I'm not. Did you not do the card trick? I don't think you did, because I think we already got the card that we're after. It's not in here. You forgot to do the card trick.
But I think there were not any energy there. They're not any.
Come on, Charizard! Show yourself for us. We want to see you. Somebody call him up and tell him we want to open you.
There are only 3
All right.
Charizard left, and they're like, and there is
Code card for
3
y'all.
Charizards.
1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go with a water.
Got 3 Charizards and 5 of these packs.
Hold on. Let me open these up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Water. We're not doing those yet, so don't even reach for them ones. Piranha, we've had that card. So, wow. You get excited when you pull the cards, but when you pull them numerous of times, your excitement going a little bit. No, it's still nice to get some pulls. But, whew, just want to get that Charizard. I'm sure everybody does. Sorry if anything happened with the video there. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
It was a battery notification. Threw your garbage on the trash.
You forgot to do the trash can.
No. Go ahead. Code card first.
Yeah.
There you go, Bubba.
Here's it up close. If you want to see it, here's your chance to see it.
Card trick.
Oh, I forgot. Card trick.
You don't have to do the card trick. It gives it that suspense. We don't know. We're looking at having a hard time seeing with you guys. So, all right, go ahead.
Dark energy.
Oh, just keep going.
Now it's going fast.
Well, be careful sliding them. So.
Oh, here's that.
Pretty. Ooh, sleeve it up. I like that one.
Interesting.
What is it? Aggron. Put them in a sleeve real quick so we can show them what we're looking at.
Wait, is that a food type? Like,
Pretty cool. Code card.
now the sleeves give me a hard time to put in. Now it's finally.
Oh no.
Sometimes sleeves actually give you a hard time like putting it in. Sometimes it does.
Alright.
Here it is in a sleeve. Filter sleeve. There you go. We are on our next pack.
My turn. Can we get the Charizard? Alright. Code card.
Now they're
1, 2,
Now.
3, 4. There's the Charizard knocking on our door.
Don't be such funny. I just throwing
Fix
nonsense.
that real quick. That's weird.
Ooh, what's that?
Blaziken.
We already got that.
Oh, put it into a sleeve real quick, son. Did y'all see that?
See what?
That was kind of cool that we got those back to back like that there. I think that's cool.
Here it is in a sleeve.
It's kind of a cool card. Well, it ain't Charizard. He hasn't came yet. Probably a while before he does. He's having a hard time opening up the pack.
Okay. Let's do my own different way.
So like I said, yeah, just let us know what you think. If you're having fun, you know we're trying to have fun. It is fun. Uh-oh, he finally got it.
Here's this if you want to do it the back way.
They don't want to do it the back way, I don't think. I think just open the cards and show the kids. I think that's what they want to do.
Now I'm going to do the card trick. That was only one card showing. Mr.
I just want to know if there's a
Mime.
Charizard in here.
Ice
Alright.
Mr. Mime.
Mr. Mime.
Yeah.
Let's see the code card, please. There it is.
I'll put it upside down. There.
Enjoy. Card
Here we
trick.
go.
2, 3, 4. There's a Charizard
This
knocking
is-
on our door.
I don't want to get it.
Okay.
Fire.
Fire.
Maybe two train Pokemon. Dark energy.
You just want to look at it too. You just want to turn around.
We have 2 more left. And what is it?
Melmetal.
No metal.
You are so lucky.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you got those pulls. This
Yeah, our Walmart is completely sold out of all the Champions Path. We got two, but that was it. We can't find any of like the little kits, you know, the tins and nothing.
Yeah. now we're looking for the Blastoise set. We did found a Blastoise.
Yeah, we did find a Blastoise. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, we didn't have enough money to buy it.
Alright, here's your code card.
Well, maybe, but my mom will probably
1,
throw a
2,
big
3,
tantrum.
4. Oh, there it is. 4.
Dark energy. Lugia?
You know, I really wish they would have made this card a holo. Let me know down in the comments if you agree, because I think they should have.
Wait.
I think the Lugia card should be a holo.
Maybe.
All my OGs know what I'm talking about. Lugia should be a holo. Oh, how long y'all been collecting Pokemon cards? We have a whole binder full of
You
some
know
nice.
they can't hear you when you're watching.
Well, they're watching and listening. These are the polls we got so far. We'll go through them
Yeah,
when we're
4
done.
polls. Iron type timer. Yes, iron type. Okay. I'm not gonna do card trick for this one. I'm gonna do it for this one.
No, we're just gonna get right to it.
Here it is, up close. That is actually. Ooh, what's this?
All right, show the cards.
That actually looks cool, Dad.
I know. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. Oh my goodness. Let me see.
And that one looks like a
All right, well they want to see that.
Dad, that looks beautiful. I just pulled
Pok'e
that.
Dad V.
Yeah, I
Nice
pulled
looking
it.
card. And he always gets the pulls. I'm not playing.
And here's the barcode.
And those are the ones that he just skipped all over. It's a nice looking card. Always gets
See?
the pulls.
See? Ow, I just accidentally crushed my finger.
Crushed your finger?
Accidentally.
Oh, see.
Maybe get
Alright,
2 chairs.
here we go. Darkness Ablaze. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a lightning knocking at your door.
Boy, you're trying to play games there.
Can't believe how many times I've seen this card. I'm kind of sick of it.
Let's see.
That is
Now,
that
this
is
one will
that.
do the card trick. Cool. First, I have to make sure they ain't shiny. Nope. Now, card trick.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We'll do this one gently. There's it up close. Close. I'm just getting kind of tired. Kind of. Now we got this.
A muck. A muck. It's a pile of muck. No.
What is wrong with this card? What is wrong with this?
I don't know. It's a Shelmet.
I
All right.
think it's about
So, guys, we are on our last pack of Darkness Ablaze. Can we get the Charizard?
After that, our next one is Evolution.
Let's hope.
Please tell me if it has a Mega Dark
I just want
Charizard
the
in this.
Charizard. Can we get a last pack? Don't open those yet.
If they have a Mega Black Charizard in this, I will.
I don't think that's who you're thinking of, Gales. 1, 2, 3,
There
4. I don't
is
think he's in the
another
envelope.
Mega Charizard.
The blue one?
A black one? No, it's a blackish black
Leaf?
one with the fire coming out of his mouth. Blue fire. Yeah, that one. Is that movie I just saw?
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let us get a Charizard. And, oh my goodness.
A mug. Our fire pack.
Did you guys see the luck of getting 2 mucks back to back? Well, alright, so.
Well, you kind of did, sir. That kind of.
Let me see the evolution pack. Out of all the Darkness Ablaze packs that we just opened, we got this.
My finger's crushing.
We got this. We got this.
I'll wrap it.
Beautiful card right here. Oh, look what he busts out. You thought
big
we
boy.
were done.
Now, I don't know what kind of pack it has in this one.
Well, we're not going to open this one quite yet.
Well, can I take the packs out?
No, we're going to save that one for later. You guys tune
Nah,
in.
you're just being a waste of time.
No, I'm not wasting time.
I'm
We just opened a
playing
bunch of
it.
Darkness Ablaze packs.
Now I'm
I
giving.
do thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are going to be doing more videos like this.
Maybe tomorrow, next time.
We'll see. We will do it.
Luck.
We will see. Do you really want to open the tin, son? He wants to open the tin. Okay, I feel bad. Let's have him open the tin. Sorry, guys. Ain't over yet. Here, I'll let you do the honors.
Oh my god.
He wants to do the tin. I feel bad if I don't let him. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel.
We have.
We got a lot going on over here. There's a lot of Darkness Ablaze packs we just opened and we didn't get Charizard. The other YouTubers make it look
Now
easy.
want to come out.
The other YouTubers make it look easy.
Here's the code.
We got a code card from the tin for you guys.
Here is the. Here it is. Up close.
That's a nice one. Mewtwo and Mew tag team promo card. I think that's what that is.
And it came with this for some reason. Comments down below if you know what this does or this.
Yeah, he's curious to what that is. So comment down below and let us know.
Now we're in the packs.
The packs we get.
We got.
I like these little tins.
Yeah. Circulator. We have that.
We have Cosmic Eclipse, Lost Thunder, and an Evolutions pack, which will get added over there. So, no, we're not going to do the Evolutions pack in this video. We're going to save those for another video. Make sure to tune in and like this channel, you know, because we're going to be doing openings like this all the time. It's fun. So yeah, these will be our last 3. Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse, the Sun and Moon Lost Thunder,
Yep.
and the Celestial Storm. So let's dive on in.
Well, I think this is a magnet, but I don't know. Well, seriously,
Magnet, yeah, comment down below and let us know what that is. Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a leaf knocking at your door.
Now you're just being funny.
I am being funny. That's what I do. I'm a funny dude.
Okay, old basic. Now,
Explode.
we think we should do.
I'm gonna do this one. You do that one. All
I think I
right.
might know this Pokemon. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Down below. Down below if you have this Pokemon.
Comment down below if you have that Pokemon. You heard the man.
Because you never know. At times it might be a GX, might be not. You never know. Ooh. Look, I'm getting the basic Loa. Trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have water.
Knocking on your door.
Please, we get something good.
It's a nice little card.
We have that.
What is
A
that?
Giratina! That's a Giratina!
Can you not? Whoa, buddy.
That's Giratina. That's the guy, Giratina.
Okay, we'll put it in a sleeve, son.
And it. Do I put this?
Giratina. No.
This guy is going to sleep.
You said that's a Giratina.
It is a Giratina because I know that face out of nowhere.
I've never seen him before. Sorry, guys.
Because it's the master of the other world. Like the other world, gravity change, different. Yeah.
Okay. He knows what he's talking about, I guess. Hopefully.
That's Giratina. It's on Hulu.
On Hulu. Let me see. We'll put it with the poll.
It's like a movie of Hulu.
Alright. Here
Yeah.
is
Hulu.
code card.
Now my dad doing this one.
1, 2, 3, 4. He's having a hard time getting the Giratina off the floor. Water. All that Halloween candy got to him. Ooh.
Raichu.
You know, why do they do that? That would be such a nice card if he was a hollow.
Yeah.
Dancing through the city like that. I do like him though. He's a cool looking card.
Or GX. Or
I do like the Raichu. I do like the Raichu.
Okay, open it.
Alright. No, no, no.
Why?
Alright, guys. Let's show you the polls that we got for the day.
We have. This is Giratina.
We just pulled him, yep. Raichu. I feel like he should be a pull. I like my Raichu. Look at that card. Mewtwo. VMAX.
A V. Another V. And another V.
Remember, we're doing this one, so if you rewind back, I forget exactly what we said. I'll have to watch it again, but I'll remember it. We are doing a giveaway on this card.
I'm pretty sure remember that one, right?
What's that?
And boom.
Giratina.
Giratina. Hey,
He likes that card.
mine. We already.
So again, guys, thank you for
We do
watching.
have a tag team of Giratina.
Do we?
Yeah, we do, and then one.
Alright, guys. Well, that was fun. We opened up a lot of packs just now. Got a lot of stacks. We'll be doing giveaways and all kinds of stuff throughout time here. Again, thank you guys.
And you'll see it. We have a tag team in this. I'm pretty sure we do.
Okay, well, I'll have to check. I do thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you, you know. This is us. We're sitting here opening these packs for you. It's fun hunting.
Subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Hit hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
And notification.
And turn them notifications on so you can see our faces opening up these Pokemon cards for you. Hope you had a good time, guys. This is the Pok'e Dad, Poke family. Peace.